Good morning, happy Saturday. What a night. Hey, do you have a spouse or a significant other or your best pal that you watch a movie with, and about a few minutes into the movie, you see this? That was Amy last night. Oh boy, we started Traders. By the way, Boston Rob is in this season of Traders, season 3. I'm not going to give you any spoilers, so don't worry about that. But it's not the best reality series, but you know what? It's entertaining and it's a good bonding between Amy and I and stuff. So no biggie. We're having some family over, so we're going to go get some snacks and hors d'oeuvres and appetizers for entertaining there for a little bit this afternoon. And we got a big game tonight. Pittsburgh Steelers playing Baltimore tonight. Oh boy, we are in deep trouble. Did I mention we're in deep trouble? Like, oh boy. I wonder what I'm gonna get. You know what? We might get those artisan pizzas from Zehrs. It's a Loblaws company, Zehrs. But yeah, they have some good ones. My buddy Dave had some for his party there back at Christmas time, and they were tasty. So I might try to check and see if we have those as an option for today. That'd be great. Now we've been doing our what is it called? We've been doing that intermittent fasting or whatever since September. It's actually worked pretty good. When I left on the cruise, I was 193, and when I came back, I was 198, and we got back onto our schedule because you have to enjoy the benefits of the cruise and all of that food. It's too delicious. So, but anyway, yeah, I came back at 198. Got back into our regiment, and we've been doing good. So we eat from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. Let me know if it works for you, because this is just what we're doing. And then we try to limit the carbs intake and stuff, which we may have a problem with that pizza that I'm going to get here today. But you know what? Sometimes you can have a cheat day here and there. But my body doesn't process the heavy carbs too well, so that might be too much information. But you know what? It is what it is. And we find that it really works well with that 8-hour time for us to eat, and it shuts everything down by 8 o'clock p.m., which is great. Your body's not taking in food sources over the course of the evening, which sometimes sits in your belly heavy, and that probably is not so good for when you're going to bed. But as far as that's what I read, you know what I mean. Anyway, it seems to be working good now. I'm down to 188.6 pounds. Woo, boy, 10 pounds down. I love it, I love it, I love it. So yeah, it's been working really good. We're going to continue forward with that, and I'll give you updates every month and let you know how things are going with it. But right now, it's all about maintaining now, because I like to be about 190, 5'10", almost 190. That's what I like to be at. It's my cruising weight. Also, I need a smoke detector. Don't tell my son, he's a firefighter. He'd kill me. But the expiry is like 2020 for this smoke detector. Oh boy. The grocery store has pumpernickel bread. Wow, I love it. Usually it's sold out by the time we get here, but we got a loaf today for our avocado. Great little appetizers. President's Choice mini pizzas here. They're fantastic. Let me check this out. Margarita style. Yeah. Are you seeing this right now? A vending machine for lotto scratch tickets. Oh my gosh, they're throwing this gambling at us in every angle possible. Gambling can be addictive, so bet responsibly. I'm out. I got all the groceries I need. We're good to go. Now, I didn't think I would find that smoke detector at the grocery store, but I'm at my favorite hardware store, Canadian Tire. Let's see what we got. This is the model that has that hardwire capability, so it's got that little 3-prong thing at the bottom, so let's see what we got. Who makes it? Kidde. K-I-D-D-E. Is that Kid or Kitty? Kid, whatever. We'll find it. Aisle 31, smoke detectors. Get a new one, install it, make my family safe, make my son happy. I'm not even seeing this model. This might be discontinued or old. I mean, we've been in the house and I haven't even changed this one in, 5 years? Over 5 years. And it said expired in 2020, so they may not even make this model anymore. But we got lots of options here, including smoke and carbon monoxide. So might as well upgrade and get both. Did I get enough pizzas? Great appies, great appies. I'm in the studio. We had a great visit with family, post-Christmas visit. Some family were out of the country for the Christmas holidays, so it was great to catch up with them, and we had some good snacks. The pizzas were a big hit. They were delicious. Now I'm back in the studio. Just uploaded the video for the Casio watch that Amy may or may not have liked. Check it out. Link below. Getting ready for a football game. Pittsburgh Steelers are in tough in Baltimore. So we'll see. Coming up in about an hour or so. But it's been a great day. Good time with family. Got a little bit of work done in the studio. Got some more editing and got some more work to do working on the state of the collection for 2025. And I just wanted to say my thoughts and prayers go out to all of the people impacted by what's happening in LA with the devastating fires. That is unbelievable. And it's just so sad. Amy and I were just there in the spring of last year, and it's a fabulous place and wonderful place to be. And it's too bad that they have to go through that. But I understand that hopefully things have stopped and the fires are getting put out, and things will hopefully take some time to rebuild, but hopefully people are safe and have a chance to bounce back. But yeah, our thoughts and prayers are with everyone in LA. All right, I'm up. Sorry for not closing out last night. I was a little bit rattled there. My team got killed. Yeah, they got killed. Baltimore Ravens just ran all over them. Where was my Pittsburgh defense? Where was the steel curtain? Not to be. This wasn't our year. We fed Indy. That's the dog. Did you know we got a new dog? Fed Indy. Now we're just waiting because we're going to have to take her out for a pee and a poop. And I got to get back to work. I got to install the fire alarm. Safety first. I shouldn't procrastinate. This is important stuff. My son will kill me. The kid detect smoke alarm and carbon monoxide, hardwired to the top shelf stuff. I'm gonna have to put this stuff in. I suppose it's gonna be a completely new system though. I'm gonna have to hardwire it all. We'll get her done. No big deal. All right, it says it has a couple of extra features here built in. We've got voice alerts, tells you exactly when your alarm is sounding. Isn't that the point of the alarm though? Interconnected alarms, so when one alarm goes off, they all go off. Something I would expect. Self-testing ensures the alarm is always operating as expected. Nice. And it's easy to install with a twist and click mounting bracket, which is great because I think once I get the base up there, I should be able to just back to this dog thing. They told me they were going to do everything, and we all know how that went. She's 3 months old, and we got to be on her because you got to get her trained up. Yesterday was not a good day. She went bathroom in the house 4 times. 4 times. Who cleaned it up? Yes, you know the answer. That was a rhetorical question. I'm at the point now that if she gets off the couch, I'm following her around like a puppy dog. Eyes on. Eyes on, puppy. I'm watching you. Actually, right now I'm not. Mateo's got her, though. Mateo's got her. It's always best to power off. Don't mess around with electricity. I can't stand electricity. I've been shocked before. Have you been shocked? Comment below. I'm loving this. Even on the breaker box list, it shows number 4, smoke detector. Gotta be safe. All right, there it is. Number 4. Let's see if we got some power to this thing. Amy says it's on. Yes! Green light. Oh, my son's going to be so proud of me. It shouldn't take long at all. Once I twist and click and get it into position, we're going to be good to go. Oh, that looked pretty easy. I think we're good. I think this one's a test button, too. Whoa.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Hey now. Yeah. Taking the dog out for a walk. She's got to go pee. Where'd you go? There you are. Go pee, Indy. Come on now. Oh, you're going to try a little snow. Don't eat the yellow stuff, though. Oh, she smells something. What do you smell? Yay! Pee for Indy. Let's go. Let's get a treat. Yep.
I'm actually not surprised.
Of course you're not surprised. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Can you shake a paw? Yeah, good job. Sit. There we go. Good girl. Now we're trying to get Indy accustomed to having a collar and leash on because that's obviously how it's going to be done when we take her out, especially when we're in the public environments and things like that. But she's not having it. We're trying to get her trained so she gets accustomed to having a collar on so we can attach the leash and then do our thing. But wow, is it a struggle. She keeps doing this and trying to get the leash off and stuff. But I guess, you know what? Dogs will adapt. So I think, comment below if you have any other suggestions for me. But basically we keep it on her, let her have it on, see how she gets adjusted to it. And then if we know we're going out for a walk or whatever, we always have it on her so she can become accustomed to having it on full time. That's what we want, is full time. Because she's like a stealth bomber. She is so quiet. Having the collar on actually will allow us to hear her. So she jangles. You know what I'm saying, right? Anyway, that's it. I think we're all caught up. It's football Sunday. Everyone have a great weekend. We'll see you on the next one.